you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the May/June test tube beauty box. So this is by New Beauty. I love this box. So if you don't know what it is, let me tell you a little bit more about it. So test tube is a beauty subscription. It's bi-monthly, meaning you get it every other month. It costs $29.95, but there is a shipping charge. Everything that comes in here is kind of heavy, so it's like $8.95 or something, and with tax it really comes out to be like $40. And I know like paying shipping annoys some people, but you do get at least $180 in value, and it's mostly skincare, but you also can get like some beauty products like makeup sometimes and hair care as well, and some other items all about your skin and overall well-being. And it always comes in this beautiful tube. The tube's different every other month, but I love these. I like to keep them and like store my brushes in them because yeah, so cute. I think this might be one of my favorites. There were some items that came out of the tube as well. So you get it in this like brown cardboard box. So today we'll be unboxing this. But if you're new here, hi, my name is Kitty. I do unboxing and beauty related content pretty much every single day here on our channel. I would love if you considered subscribing. But anyways, let's get started. So in the box, we also get a little pamphlet here that goes over all of the items, and I love how informative this is. For each item that comes inside, it'll tell you what it is, how to use it, editor's feedback, key ingredients, and expert insight, and also gives you pricing. And for a lot of the products, you also get a coupon code for the company. So it says, this edition of Test Tube is arriving at just the right time to do just that. Sit back, relax, and take a moment to create a self-care day. Inside, you'll find 8 full-size beauty products that offer the perfect mix of solutions to do an at-home facial, give your skin a boost, and above all, put prioritizing self-care at the top of your to-do list. And then it goes into more of the items, gives a little sneak peek. So how about we start with the items that came outside of the tube? One of them is very huge here. So it looks like this is a supplement by Neocell. I've heard of this brand before. I believe in my Pop Sugar box, we got some like free samples, like packets of this or something in their line. So it says Neocell True Science of Collagen, collagen protein peptides for healthy and beautiful skin. It says with clinically tested collagen, pomegranate acai flavored, and in each dose you get 20 grams of collagen. And it says predominantly grass-fed powder dietary supplement. And in here you get 15.1 ounces or 428 grams. So this is huge. So I need to look into this more and see what like the collagen source is, because sometimes it can be from animals and I'm a vegetarian. But on here it says Neocell's collagen protein peptides feed your health and beauty with collagen clinically shown to visibly reduce the appearance of wrinkles. A unique combination of grass-fed collagen, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and amla fruit extract, Neocell's collagen protein peptides works to nourish your core by promoting healthy collagen synthesis and skin hydration. The result is inner health and beautiful, firm, younger looking skin. Healthy body, beautiful skin. So you could either dissolve this in water or add it to your favorite smoothie recipe. So this has a retail value of $39.99, and let's see if it talks about the collagen source. So like I said, it talks about the key ingredients. I love that it gives you a little overview. Yeah, it just says formulated with collagen types 1 and 3. So yeah, I'll have to look into this more, but if I can't use it, I will like pass it on to my mom. She's really healthy and stuff like that. But I heard collagen, like taking it by mouth, can be helpful. Collagen's a huge molecule, so when you apply it to your skin, sometimes it doesn't penetrate. And when you get older, you're not producing any new collagen. So I'm definitely intrigued by this. I'll have to learn some more. But yeah, so this is actually an award winner. It says 2020 New Beauty Award winner. The next item that was outside of the tube, it looks like they're like masks or something. Let's see. Oh, there's multiple in here. Looks like we have 2 different kinds, 2 of each. So one says the three-step skincare kit for recharging, better skin, better tomorrow. And it has a cleanser, moisturizer, and intensive sheet mask in here. That's nice. It's like a little to-go packet. These, I've had one of these like before, not the same brand or anything, but they had a cleanser and like all the skin steps, skincare steps, and that was great for travel. I'm not traveling right now, but this still is very nice. And then, so this one's recharging, and then the other one is exfoliating. So these are $4 each, and again, we get 4 of them, and there is a 10% off code here. So it says exfoliate includes a cleanser, peeling pads, and sleeping mask, and recharge includes a cleanser, sheet mask, and hydro moisturizer. So I love that they have like a little all-in-one. Like, I'm spending the night at my mom's house, so maybe I'll bring one of these and one for her as well. I think that'd be super fun. So the exfoliating pack has AHAs, which is an exfoliator, alpha hydroxy acid. Obviously it's exfoliating mask, so that's great. I use AHAs every other night. And it says it also contains tiger, sika, and blueberry extracts with panthenol and peptides. And the recharging pack has rice, licorice, cactus, and honey extracts. So our 3-step skincare kits were created to connect with consumers who have busy lifestyles yet want simplicity. Integrating a simple routine can have an amazing result on your skin. Awesome, these seem really cool. I think, like how I said, I'm gonna save these for like when I'm on the go and stuff like that. But I think this is a great idea. And there's one more thing that's outside the tube, and this is Scar Away, the solution for scars, 100% silicone scar gel with a gentle roller applicator. So it's preventing and treating scars. It visibly improves the appearance of both old and new scars. It has advanced technology and day and night 24-hour efficacy with twice daily application. Ooh, this is cool that they provided this. I could definitely use this. I have a scar on my arm from burning it on the stove like a month ago, and I don't think it's really going away, so I'm gonna try it there for sure, and then on any other scars I might develop. So it has patented transparent self-drying silicone gel technology which improves the appearance of scars and prevents abnormal or excessive scar formation. Cool. See, like, this is such a unique, interesting thing to have in here, and I feel like we could all use it, even if you don't need it right now. Just like having this around, it could be very useful. And this is what it looks like. So I think they said there was a roll-on applicator. Yeah, so very easy to apply. Should I just put it on now? Let's see, what does it say for directions? Yeah, it just says apply it twice daily as a very thin coat and allow to dry. And important, do not use this on open wounds. Wait till the skin is healed and not like crusted or anything like that, because it could result in infections or other serious complications. I love that they say that on there because you're applying this over and over again. It's not considered sterile. So yeah, definitely don't use it on active wounds. Just like for me, like this is a month old. Like a cat scratch scar here too. So yeah, super easy to apply. You guys probably can't see what I'm doing. Sorry, I can't even see it in the viewfinder, but yeah, not too much product comes out. Awesome, I think this is super cool. I love getting things that are like unique and, you know, I don't already have. So you can get this on Amazon for $24.99, and its key ingredient, like we already talked about, is 100% medical grade silicone. I guess you're supposed to do this post cleanse. I mean, I showered not too long ago, I guess, but ideally you want to do this on freshly cleansed dry skin. Cool. Now let's get our pretty tube open. And that's what it looks like. It looks like we have a nail polish right on top. Oh my god, this shade must be like really popular right now because I feel like I just got 2 other blues. Like, so it must be like the cool color for spring. I don't know. I'm never cool on top of trends, but I think it might be. This is by Orly. This is Breathable Treatment in Color. So I have been doing my own nails right now. Don't look at them now, they're kind of chipped with everything going on, you know, so I've been trying to learn it. Usually I go and get dip manicures like once a month. On here it says all-in-one base coat, color, and top coat. Ooh, nice, I like that. You don't have to do the extra steps. And it says apply 2 coats of breathable treatment plus color to bare clean nails. Actually, I think this might be more of like a pale blue compared to what I have. So this is $9.99, and there is a code here to get 25% off site-wide. So that's great. So if I like this formula, I can go and purchase other colors. A 1-step nail color that acts as both a polish and a treatment. The formula is breathable, allowing excess moisture to escape for longer lasting manicures. It also doesn't need a base or top coat. I think I love that part the most. I'm like that lazy. Yeah, so it has an ingredient that's supposed to strengthen your nails. I could use that. After doing dip manicures for so long, my nails like are definitely in need of like a break from that. So it's kind of, that's like one pro to the quarantine. But yeah, if this can strengthen my nails, I definitely need it. Next up, we have a tube here. Ooh, nice. Toothpaste. We can all use some more toothpaste, right? I've actually been using these tablets that you like chew in your mouth and then you brush your teeth, so it's supposed to be like less wasteful. But this is the Brilliant Black Toothpaste with activated charcoal. It's whitening vegan mint. It's by Terra & Co. So I will use this as well. So it has charcoal in it, so I think that's supposed to help like with whitening, isn't it? Yeah, it says activated charcoal's negative ionic charges bind with plaque and tartar to naturally remove the stains and whiten teeth. I could use some teeth whitening. I have like a coffee right over there. I like coffee and wine too much. So I'm all about anything that can help whiten them. Oh, and this part is super great. It says your purchase supports low income and homeless women. So they must donate toothpaste to homeless women. That is amazing. Oh wow, this is some bougie expensive toothpaste too. It is huge. You get 4 ounces and it is $25. And there is a 15% off site-wide sale if you want to purchase more from this company. I love that they give back. So an organic toothpaste that utilizes activated charcoal in order to visibly whiten teeth. It's also been clinically tested for everyday use. Ooh, it just started pouring here. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it. Next item, this is actually something I already have. It's by Dr. Brandt, which actually isn't cruelty-free, so I will pass this on, but I can show you guys mine in a second. So this is their Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Did I say that right? Yeah, Luminizer Primer. So it says on here, light up your complexion with a combination of optical diffusers, illuminating crushed stardust pearls, and pore perfecting ingredients to help refine and lessen the look of pores, providing a subtle sheen and a smoother canvas. So you can use this alone, and it does give like a little teeny bit of coverage, not really, but it's a little bit tinted, like I said, I'll show you in a second, or you can use it under your skin. It gives like a luminous finish, so if you use it under your foundation, I think I said under your skin, that doesn't make sense, under your foundation, like especially a matte one, that can work well with that. But I received this in a past beauty box, so let me grab it. So here is mine. If you can see that sticker on it, I put stickers on all of my non-cruelty free items in my collection, just so I can like use them up or pass them on. But let me put a little bit on my hand so I can show you guys. So hopefully you can see there's a little bit of a tint there. Oh man, I just dropped the cap. Yeah. Look, you can actually see, I think, on the viewfinder, it looks a little bit more luminous. So we recently reached 9,000 subscribers, and I've been mentioning that there will be a giveaway coming up, so I think I will add this into there since I already have it, and plus Dr. Brandt is unfortunately not cruelty free. Hopefully they change. I like to bring that up because I want brands to change their practices. But let's see how much this costs. Dr. Brandt's an expensive brand. So the Pores No More Luminizer Primer is $38, and oh, there's a 30% off code for Dr. Brandt if you're interested. And they give a tip after moisturizing, pat a pea-sized amount onto the center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, and along the cheekbone, so areas you'd like to highlight. And it says soft focus technology utilizes optical diffusers to blur the look of pores and imperfections. Tea tree oil works to purify the skin, and lentil seed extract refines the appearance of pores. Oh, I didn't realize it had tea tree oil in it. All right, we have 2 items left. This is Limu, if I'm saying that right, Hyaluronic Serum. This is supposed to hydrate and plump, and it has a net weight of 1 ounce or 30 milliliters, a standard amount for a serum. I like the packaging. How do you say that? Limu? I don't know. Concentrated hyaluronic acid complex intensely hydrates without clogging pores. It features vitamin E and 3 powerful botanical extracts with soothing, hydrating, and anti-aging benefits for balanced and healthy looking skin. It says after cleansing and toning, apply 3 to 4 drops onto the face and neck in the morning and at night. For hyaluronic acid, it's really important to have a damp face when you apply it, because what hyaluronic acid does is it retains moisture, and if you don't have any moisture on your skin, it will pull it from inside and actually cause a drying effect. And this is what the packaging looks like. Now this has a retail value of $60, and there's a 15% off site-wide code here. I'm excited to try a new brand. I've never heard of it. Limu. A skin plumping line filler that volumizes and transforms skin, leaving behind a dewy, flawless glow. So it has a multi-molecular weight hyaluronic acid, vitamins B5 and E, and ginkgo biloba extract, which work together to deliver plumping and anti-aging benefits. I'm excited to try this out. And last but probably not least, we have here, I don't know what this is, but here is what it looks like. Pure Mix, or Rusk Pure Mix native fig replenishing 3-in-1 leave-in treatment. So I think this is for your hair. Super cute packaging. You can see a little cruelty-free symbol on there. So it's free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, artificial colorants, gluten, alcohol. So prime, treat, and detangle. It has a customized formulation for your hair's needs. In the mix, fig, refined oats, quinoa protein, and vitamins for strength, color protection, and healthy glowing hair. So directions: mist over entire head. Nice. So after I wash my hair, I always use like a detangler and like a leave-in conditioner treatment. I don't wash my hair often, so I go through hair conditioners like this pretty slowly. But I know it says it's like free of synthetic fragrance and stuff. I want to smell it because it's like made of fig and stuff. It smells so good. This might have to be the one I open next and use. I mean, I guess I technically already opened it, but this smells amazing, and this is huge. You get 6 ounces or 170 grams. Nice. Like I said, I'm not really in need of a leave-in conditioner, but I love the way this one smells, like more than my other one, so I'll probably use this next. So you can get this at Ulta, and it's $18, and there is a 20% off code on all the Pure Mix products at Ulta. Cool, so it's an Ulta brand, so I bet people really like this. So that was everything. You guys, I really like this box a lot more than last month's, to be honest. So let's see. So there's some items I'm not sure I can use. Well, I know I'm going to pass on this primer, but I don't really mind because I'm going to give it to one of you guys. And I have to look into this collagen supplement, but even if I can't use it, I have someone I can give it to. And everything else, yeah, so we got mostly skincare. I am excited to try this Hyaluronic Serum and the Scar Away treatment. I was like really excited about that. The hair treatment smells great. The toothpaste, if this really can whiten my teeth, that's great. And I love getting toothpaste in boxes and like stuff like, so I don't have to go to the store and get some. Like, we can all use this, like, you know, like, doesn't matter like what your skin type is, whatever, like we can all use some toothpaste, so that is great. The masks, so I think these are really convenient for travel, like I said, and just like fun. And I love that they have like a purpose, like one for exfoliating, one for recharging. Cute packaging, super fun. The nail polish color, I swear this must be the it color right now. And I love that you don't need a base or top coat. I don't know, I think this was a great month. Like I said, last month wasn't my favorite. Normally at the end of my videos, I review all the products from the month prior, but I was going through it and I didn't get to using many of the products, and some of them I gave away as well, so it wasn't like enough to give a solid review, so I apologize for that. But I know this month I will definitely be using some of these items. So I think this is such a fun box. Like I said, like it's generally pretty good. You definitely get your money's worth. How about I add up the total value right now quick? I will actually put the value on the screen because my phone's in another room charging, and that is what I use for my calculator. But again, you're supposed to get at least $180, and I feel like even if I can't use 1 or 2 items, I definitely still get my money's worth. So I would love to hear your thoughts down below. And again, the link will be down in the description box if you're interested in subscribing. And yeah, that is everything. Thank you for unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.